Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to create a hyperlink in PowerPoint, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and look for the slide that we're working with, and I'm going to work now with this slide here. What I am going to do is I'm going to make this text over here our hyperlink. So you can see over here, this is actually a Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ50, and what I've done is I have gone in and I've opened up a browser and I have gotten the link that I want to hyperlink this with. So I have clicked on the link and I have copied the link. We're going to go back here and we're going to right click on that text that we've just highlighted, and you're going to look down this menu. You're going to look for link and you're going to tap on the little arrow, and here you can see it says insert link, and you're going to tap on that. Over here, this window that gets brought up, it says address at the bottom, and the link that we just copied from that website, we are going to paste in over there, and we're going to tap on OK. Now this is very simple. If you hold your cursor over this while you're in the presentation mode or while you're in the editing mode, it'll say you can hold in control and click to follow the link, and there you go. It has now opened the link that we've just created. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.